Settle into a comfortable position, making sure you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale for the count of 4. Hold for 2 seconds and exhale for a count of 4. While you are inhaling, just say to yourself, breathing in. On the exhale, say breathing out. Repeat this breathing sequence 6 times while focusing on your breathing. Now imagine you are at the foot of a staircase. There are 20 steps in total. In your mind's eye, imagine the figure 20 in clear, large print. Step down to the 19th step, and as you do, feel yourself going deeper. See the number 19 in your mind's eye. Continue to descend the stairs, and with each step, feel yourself becoming more relaxed. See the number 18 in your mind's eye as you take another step. Feel the muscles in your thighs relaxing. Let go of the tension in your stomach. Relax your jaw. Release all the tension in your body. 70, 60. Feel yourself going deeper. 50, 40, 13, 12, 11. Notice how heavy your body feels. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You are feeling very relaxed now. As you descend further, you experience a deeper state of relaxation. 4. Deeper still. 3, 2. Your body feels heavy. You may feel tingling in certain areas of your body. You descend the last step and see the number 1 in large print in your mind's eye. 1. Your body is relaxed. You are feeling completely at ease. Your mind is quiet. You are feeling calm and rested. I want you to imagine standing in your driveway looking at your dream car. It is finally yours. Notice how excited you feel, how proud you are of yourself for achieving your goals. Take a walk around your car. Notice the color and finish. Run your hands along the side of the car. Stand in front of your car and look at the logo on the hood. Notice how the front lights make the car look sexy. Look at the alloy wheels. They are the exact ones you have been dreaming about. Notice how they really make the car stand out. Feel your heartbeat speed up with pure excitement and joy. Open the driver's seat and sit into your car. The first thing you notice is how new it smells. The leather seats smell beautiful. You can even smell the fresh new carpet. Rub your hands along the leather seats and feel how soft they are to touch. As you turn the ignition, you hear the soft purr of the engine. Press your foot gently against the brake pedal to hear the engine roar. Wrap your hands around the leather steering wheel. Notice how soft it feels. Notice how well your hands fit around the steering wheel. You are filled with complete joy and happiness. Take your car out for a drive around. Notice how safe you feel inside. Imagine people stopping to stare at the car and admire its beauty. Notice how clear the windscreen is. Switch on your favorite song on the radio. If you want to put the top down, then feel the breeze on your face. Feel the breeze in your hair. Drive back to your house. Sit in your car. Close your eyes. Take several deep breaths and thank the universe for sending your dream car. Repeat the following affirmations. I am so grateful for my new car. I love the smell of the leather in my new car. I can easily afford the car of my dreams. My car makes me feel safe and protected. I love how my new car makes me feel. I love the alloy wheels on my new car. I deserve to own the car of my dreams. I love driving my brand new car. I can easily afford the insurance and gas for my new car. My dream car is sitting proudly in my driveway. I can afford to buy my dream car with cash. My dream car is luxurious. My car has everything that I need. Now, take a moment to feel gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. Take several deep breaths and slowly count down from 5 through to 1. Starting at 5, you begin to wake up from the meditative state. 4. You are becoming more alert. 3. Stretch your arms up and take a deep breath. 2. Slowly begin to open your eyes. 1. Open your eyes fully. You are now fully awake, feeling refreshed and energized.